Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Kishimoto token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I'm just going to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency videos on my channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space and how to buy, how to sell coins, I really recommend subscribing to this channel as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first here, we're just going to open up our Trust Wallet. Now, you guys can also do this on MetaMask if you would like to, but I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet today. So first things first, you want to make sure you have Ethereum inside of your Trust Wallet. I'm not going to show you guys how to buy Ethereum or transfer it in this video. I'm going to already assume that you guys have that done. But if you need to learn how to do that, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description as well as in the comment section if that is needed. So you guys can just go ahead to that video and then come back to this video once you're done. But first things first, you just want to make sure you have the Ethereum in here. And then all you have to do is add the contract address for the token inside of Trust Wallet. So when we swap the tokens, there will be a place for it to go. So all you have to do is go to the next link I have in the description. It'll be over to CoinMarketCap. So you just go ahead to there and I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you guys are on CoinMarketCap here, all we have to do is go to beside where it says contracts. And we're just going to click on these two little squares. Once you click on those two little squares, it'll say copied in the top of your screen. And then we can exit back over to our Trust Wallets. And once you guys are back in Trust Wallet here, we just want to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles and click on that. Once we click on that, we just want to go to the top search bar here and just paste in the contract address that we got from CoinMarketCap. We'll then see Add Custom Token here. So we're going to click on Add Custom Token. The network should be Ethereum by default, but if it's not, you can go ahead and click on the option for network and then click on Ethereum at the top. And then we get back out of here, and all we're going to do is paste the contract address that we got in here. And then it should automatically populate all the information that you need. Once that's there, you should go to the top right corner and click on Save. Now, once you have a spot for your token inside of Trust Wallet, you can now head over to the exchange. So you guys can just go to the next link I have in the description for Uniswap, or you guys can just go ahead and type it in your browser if you would like to. Either way, I'll show you guys what to do once you're on Uniswap. And once you're on Uniswap here, all we have to do is go to the top of our screen where we see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once we click on the Connect Wallet button, we're going to see a couple different options here. We're going to click on Wallet Connect for this tutorial. And then it's going to open up asking us to choose our preferred wallet. So we're going to click on Trust Wallet. But like I said, you guys can do it with MetaMask as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet here. And then it's going to open up in our Trust Wallet asking us to connect Uniswap to our Trust Wallet. So we're going to click on Connect and then head back over to our Uniswap. We'll know our wallet's connected in Uniswap when we see our wallet address up in the top here, as well as our balance of Ethereum right below the Ethereum logo here. Now, all we have to do is click on Select a Token and then paste that same address we got from CoinMarketCap in here as well. Now, once we paste that in, we'll see the token pop up asking us to import it. So we're going to click on Import and then Import one more time. We will then have Ethereum and then the token below here. So now all we have to do is change our slippage tolerance for this token. So if you just go this little settings gear all the way beside swap, you click on the settings gear and then you're going to see your slippage tolerance right here. Now, you guys can leave it on auto and try to get through the first time, or if that does not work, I would recommend probably trying about 7 to 10% to first off. It totally depends on how much liquidity is in the coin when you guys are watching this video, so it changes from time to time. But like I said, you guys can try on auto first. So once you guys have that set up there, all you have to do is decide how much Ethereum that you want to transfer into the Kishimoto token. So let's just say, for example, we want to do 0.5 Ethereum. We can put that in here. That's going to show us the amount of the Kishimoto token we're going to get in exchange for that Ethereum. Now, if you guys are happy with what you see here, you're just going to click on where it says insufficient Ethereum balance. For me, it should just be telling you here to swap. So once you guys click on swap, it's going to show you your gas fees and your exchange rates and things like that. If you guys are comfortable with that, you just want to go ahead and click on swap one more time. Once you do that, you should get a successful transaction notice. Once you receive that notice, we can just go back over to our Trust Wallets, and then the token will appear in this wallet right here for you guys, usually within a couple of minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you out, showing you guys how to buy the Kishimoto token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.